In this video, I'll explain the availability settings in Canvas for quizzes so that you can use these settings to allow one section or period of classes access between a specific time and then a different setting for a different section that will allow them to access the quiz at a different time, let's say a later time. And that way you can ensure that the students can't get into the quiz early, and they can only access the quiz between the times that you set. So this is a test quiz that I've already created. I'm going to scroll down to the settings where you can control who you assign it to and then what times it's due and available from and in tool. So the default is set so that everybody in your class gets the assignment at once. We're going to change that by Xing out of that. And I'm going to make an assignment for period 1 here. I'll put in today's due date. I won't worry about the time because I'm going to control the time right here. So I'm going to say it's available from, let's say, 8 a.m. until we're going to use 9 a.m. Okay, so that's period 1. Now I also have period 3. In period 3, I want my students, same due date, I want my students to have access in period 3 from, let's say, 10 a.m. until 11 a.m. All right, and I can add more if I have different periods, but this is fine for now. So I'm going to hit save, and I do have a different section in this course that's called X Sandbox. I don't want those students to have this assignment at all, so I'm going to go ahead and continue. And it looks like it's saved, and you can preview the dates here. This looks good. And now what we want to do is let's see if this actually worked. So if this worked, a student in period 3 should not be able to access this quiz today until 10 a.m. Currently it is not 10 a.m. yet. So I'm going to go ahead and go to a different window where a fake student is already logged in and look at this test. I'm going to refresh the window. And here's the test quiz that I was just working on. It says it's not available until 10 a.m. Let's see if that's actually true though. Let's click on it. You can click on it. The quiz is locked. I can't get it. So this does work. And if you have any further questions about how this works, please reach out in the community.